Welcome to the step-by-step guide on registering a one-person company, or OPC, in India. First up, you'll need a digital signature certificate, commonly known as a DSC. This is your electronic passport for submitting electronic documents securely. To obtain a DSC, choose a certified agency authorized by the government, submit your identification documents, and complete the necessary verification. Next, you'll need a Director Identification Number, or DIN. This unique number is essential for anyone who wants to be a director in an Indian company. Apply online through the Ministry of Corporate Affairs portal, fill in the SPICE form, and attach the proof of identity and address. Now let's talk name approval. You need to ensure the name of your OPC is not similar to any existing companies or trademarks. Use the Run service on the MCA portal for this. Submit up to 2 names for approval to see if they are available. Once the name is approved, prepare the Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. These documents outline the objectives, rules, and structure of your company. You can draft these yourself or get help from a professional. Finally, compile all these documents along with a declaration of compliance, consent of the nominee, proof of registered office, and file them online via the SPICE form. Pay the required fee based on your company's capital. And there you have it. Once processed, you'll receive a certificate of incorporation. And voila, your OPC is officially registered. Remember, each step is crucial, so ensure all documents are accurate and submitted correctly. Happy registering!